Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Terry with Organic Raw Roots Farm, and today we're going to burn some holes in a landscape weed fabric for my sunflowers. So let's get started. So I asked my husband for the propane tank and the torch and a lighter, and he laughed and he said, "No, you and that don't mix." I accidentally caught the bathroom on fire one time, but that's another story. Anyways, he said, "No, we're not going to waste any propane burning holes when you can just make a fire and do it this way." Okay, so how did he do this? He basically took a tin can, something like green beans, carrots, whatever, and he drilled a hole in it, and he took a screw and some nuts, and he also took like a long flat rod-like metal thing, I guess what you see in the video, and then he bent it enough to where he could screw it onto the tin can. I had an old pot on hand, and I decided to put the fire in there. And you can use a Dutch oven because it has legs and the air flows better, but this is just what I had on hand, and I love recycling, and it did the work, and I love it. Now when you get the can hot enough, you can do about 3 or 4 holes before the can starts cooling off, and then you have to go back and reheat the can. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this DIY, and thanks for stopping by and hanging out with me. I hope to see you back really soon. Please stay safe out there with what's going on in the world today. Prayers to you and your family. God bless. Bye bye.